Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Firstly, Merry Christmas everybody. We are in the month of December, or at least when this video goes live, it will be in the month of December. But Merry Christmas. I've got my hot glue gun plugged in and heating up on my right hand side. I have got this very large DIY Christmas ornament. It opens up into two pieces. I have this black microwavable dish that came with, I think it came with some sort of type of pudding, and when I saw them I instantly thought of a snowman's hat, so I've kept quite a few of them. So I'm going to use one of those today. I've already put the hole in for the hanger to go in because I didn't want to make the horrible noises on camera. But the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this with artificial snow. Now this is a bag full of artificial snow that I use every year, and I just scoop it up and use it the following year. So I'm going to scoop up some snow, and I'm going to actually put these inside here so I can actually get them back together. So any snow that falls out goes in the bag and not over my craft desk and the floor. I'm not bothered if it's not 100% full. Okay, so I have that. And what I'm going to do at the top here is I'm going to put some hot glue, and that will help to keep it shut. And this will be hidden underneath the hat, so I'm not too worried about that. And I may put some on the bottom here, but we'll get to that afterwards. If I need it, I will put some in. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Okay, let's move that to one side. Okay, I've got some glitter ribbon here. Now this was sent to me by one of my lovely subscribers. I think it's from America, if I'm correct. I don't know, it may not be, I don't remember buying it. 12 feet Christmas house. Is that Dollar Tree? I've got to try and find the plastic. Found it. Okay, so this hat is going to be slightly tilted towards the back. So this part here, so this is the front and this is the back. So I'm going to put some hot glue here and put my glitter ribbon in it. And then every now and then put some glue down. I'm not going to bother about the gaps because I'm going to decorate that, so I'm not too bothered. I have this large snowflake which I'm going to cut off the hanger, and I've got some berries, and I've got some holly leaves and some plastic pine cones and some foliage. So we're going to decorate the front of this snowman hat. So these are just bits and pieces from my stash, and one of the things I wanted to do this year was really try and utilise things that have just been sitting there for ages. crafters, I think we tend to just buy and then we forget to use them, forget to use items. So I'm really trying to get things used rather than just sitting there for years on end. These plastic pine cones I got off a pick. I have no idea why people are manufacturing plastic pine cones, because there are plenty of pine cones in nature. I don't understand why we need them to be manufactured. Just my opinion. Got some berries here. Okay, I like that. Let's get rid of these items. Okay, so that's all nice and dry now. And I want this to go on the front there like that. Just wondering if I should put some, I think I'm going to put some glue here just to secure the hat a bit. Not that he needs it. If I had some Snow-Tex, I'll probably put some Snow-Tex on the top, but I'm completely out of Snow-Tex, so I can't do that. Okay, and then on the base here, I think I'm going to put some hot glue. And I'm going to submerge this snowflake in there. One, to secure it, and two, that helps it stand. I wonder if I want to put some eyes. I've got these decals here that I've had for ages. I wonder if I want to put a smile and some eyes on him, or maybe even a nose. I can't remember where I got these from. Probably eBay, knowing me. So let's put these on. And I've had this on my corkboard in front of my desk for about 2 years, so I'm glad I finally got to use it. Okay, there we go. And then I will use this the twine for a hanger. So in the pictures you'll see him with his twine on. But there we go, a very large snowman Christmas ornament made with junk. Thank you very much for joining me today, crafters, and you'll see me again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.